Hi everyone, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Tuesday 22nd, September the 22nd, 2020. The second Sudoku is a Two Stars Sudoku, and this one will be a number 1587. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. I think this one has 26. Let's check. 1, 2, 3 plus 5 is 8 plus 2 is 10, 13, 15 plus 4 is 19 plus 5 is 24 plus 2 is equal to 26, correct? So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I use? How about Alright. Let me see. We see a 6 in this row, a 6 in the last row, so in the row between. Only place for the 6 should be there. 3 boxes left in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9. No 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square. For the numbers 3 and 7, we see here 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here and 3 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 1, the other is a 3, and the last one is a 7. 1, 3, 7. I see here 1, 3, so no 1, 3 in this box. The 1, 3 goes in those 2 boxes. 1, 3. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left for the digit 7. Then let me see. How about the number 6 in this column? 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Yeah. We see here a 9 in this column, a 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. We have a pair in this row. Look, we have a 2 and an 8 in this row, a 2 and an 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 and the 8 should be in these 2 boxes, the 2 and the 8. Because the 2 and the 8 cannot be in these 2 boxes, the 2 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. How about the number? These 2 numbers in this row, the missing numbers here are the 3 and the 7. 3 and the 7, we see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 7 goes there. Then 1, 2, 3, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those numbers are the 1, the 4, and the 3. 1, 4, 3. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. We see a 1 and a 4. So no 1 and a 4 in this box. The 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 3. I cannot mark them. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. We have a 3 here, so Alright. So we have a 3 in this row, a 3 in the third row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 6, 6. 6, 6. Alright. How about the number? Yeah. Am I stuck? That's the question. Am I stuck? 2, 2, 5, 6. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is a 9. We see here 9 in this big square. So no 9 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square for the numbers. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. The 6 is missing and the 8 is missing. 4, 8, 6. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8. That means these 2 boxes, 4, 6, 8. These should be the 2 and the 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Let me mark them. It's up here. 2 and 5. 4, 6, 8. Alright. 2 and a 5. These numbers, the 6 is missing, the 1 is missing, and the 7 is missing. And look, we have a 1 and a 6. So no 1 and a 6 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 7. The 1 and the 6 goes in these 2 boxes. Alright, up here. These 2 numbers in this row. It's a pair, so 2 and 4 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above, so in that row, only place for the 4 should be here. Then these 2 boxes are left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between, the only place for the 1 should be here. And now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be the 6. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 3 and 7. 3 and 7, I cannot fill this yet. I need to mark them for you so you can follow it easier. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5 and this should be a 2. 1 box left in the last column for the number 2. 2 is missing, and these 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and 7 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so in the last row, so in the third row, only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. Then 648, 648, 648. All right. And now the 8. All right. The 2, 2, 2. The 6. Say 4. These two numbers in this big square. For the numbers 1 and 9, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 9, 9. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing in the first row. The 8 is missing in the first row. And the 7 is missing in the first row. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 8, 8, 8. 2, 2. Yes, 2 in this row. 2 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this first column, 2 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, and all the 1's are used. I can see digit number 2, and all the 5's are used. I can see digit number 3. Then Alright. 3, 7, and 6. 8 and 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. How about the number 8, 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this can be a 3 and more. This should be the 3, and this should be the 7. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 4. Alright. These two numbers in this row for the numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in the third column for the numbers 9 and 7. 9 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and then 9 goes there. These two numbers in this big square for the numbers 7 and 6. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. One number left in this column for the number 4. One number left in the third row for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 8. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I see you in a minute with the third Sudoku. It will be a 3 stars Sudoku. Thank you, and bye bye for now.